Hello everyone. When managing a relational database with SQL, the where condition is often used in queries. In this video, we will do many examples of where condition. At the end of the video, you will understand in detail how where conditions are used in SQL. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us. So let's start. First, let's see all the columns in the customers table. I will write a simple select query. "91 records were brought." The country column contains many countries. Oftentimes, we want to access only those that contain certain conditions, rather than all data. Using the where condition, we can only see data located in certain countries. For example, let's see the customer values in the country of Mexico. 5 records listed. I will use customer ID in where condition instead of country. We only got the data of 10. We can use other operators instead of equals. For example, let's use the less than operator. 9 records listed. We can only see data less than 10 with this method. Let's use the greater than operator. 81 were listed. Let's use the greater and equals operator. 82 were listed. We can also see the value of 10. Let's use the less than and equals operator. Only 10 records were listed. We can also see the value of 10. Let's use the not equal operator. 90 records listed. We can see all data except 10 with this method. As you can see, there is no value of 10. We can see data between certain values using the between property. Values between 10 and 20 are listed. By using the like command, I can see the values that I specify the initial value. Percentage means I don't know the next values. We can see values starting with customer ID value 1. Let's see the values starting with 2. Let's see the last value of 2. We can see certain values with the in command. We can see the first 5 values. Let's take an example with the and command. Let's see the data with country value Germany and city value Berlin. Only 1 record listed. Let's take an example with the or command. Let's see if the city value is Berlin or München. Let's make an example of or for the country column. "16 values listed." We can use and/or commands in the same query. You can make it easier to read by using parentheses. I will list the data whose country is Germany and whose city is Berlin or München. Only 2 records listed. You can also use not commands. Data from Germany and non-USA will be listed. "67 records were listed." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us.